Alright, welcome to the All Hard Grit and Grind channel. So what I'm gonna get into today is human trafficking. Human trafficking is a big problem. It's estimated that there are hundreds of thousands of human trafficking victims in this country, and about 50 or 60 million worldwide. But since we're in the U.S., we can only focus on the hundreds of thousands that are here and try to knock some kind of dent into that number by doing what we can do when we spot something out of the ordinary, or we can notice some signs that a woman or even a girl is being trafficked. Now, what got me to thinking about this topic here is a statement that I made in a previous video that I did last week. And it was about me not dealing with lot lizards. Now, a lot lizard is pretty much a prostitute, hooker, streetwalker, whatever you want to call it. And she's usually a willing participant. She's working on her own, usually. She may be doing what she's doing to try to get up on some money to support a habit, or try and get up on some money to pay some rent, or even pay a hotel fee. And again, these are usually willing participants that are working for themselves, and nobody is making these women do anything. These are what truckers refer to as lot lizards. Now, there is a different group of women, or even young minor girls, that should not be considered lot lizards. Simply because it's such a degrading, offensive, and derogatory term to be calling these women. Why? Because they don't have a say in the matter. They don't have no say so in the situation that they're in. They're being oppressed. They may have been, kidnapped or lured into a situation, thinking the situation is going to be something that is not, or coerced, or whatever the case may be. Either way, they're not willing participants. So there's this grassroots organization, called Truckers Against Trafficking, and they've been pretty much in partnership with trucking companies, suppliers in the transportation industry, giving them tools to work with, and giving them the insight on what to look for to tell whether a woman or a girl is being trafficked. And one of them is seeing if she has any tattoo stating that she might belong to somebody, or if you can, ask them some questions like, are you here alone, or do you even know where you are? And if she says no, that she doesn't know where she is, that's a surefire way. That's a surefire way to know that she's being trafficked. And what you need to be doing immediately is calling this number right here that's on the screen. And so the appropriate action can take place and somebody can possibly rescue this woman or girl. So with that being said, y'all grown men out there, y'all I'm sure y'all can tell whether or not a girl is underage. Now come on, leave the young girls alone, man. Even some of the grown women, because some of the grown women that fall into this trafficking category, they don't have a say in the matter. So just do the right thing and call the number so these people can get some help. But again, leave the little girls alone. Ain't no excuse. A grown man can tell if she's under 18. If she's distraught, in distress. Don't take advantage of the girl like that. Come on. just do the right thing and call that trafficking number. Or the least you could do is call 911, somebody. Because surely you wouldn't want your daughter to be caught up in this situation. So with that being said, that's all I got for right now. Y'all see the number up there. Y'all see the hotline. This is pretty much if you see something, say something type of situation. All right. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, and I will holler at y'all later. Peace out.